Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss what is optimal binary search tree. Then as you all know that the searching is nothing but it is one of the major operation performed on the list. That is, you have a key element and try to find out that key element into the given list. If the key element is found in the given list or array, then we can say the search is successful, otherwise search is unsuccessful. Then here, using dynamic programming, first you have to generate the binary tree for all the given list and apply dynamic programming to find out the optimal binary search tree. Then basically optimal binary search tree is nothing but which is the tree that requires minimum number of comparisons or the optimal number of comparisons to find out the given key element into the list and finally identify whether the search is successful or unsuccessful. Then here what we can say, optimal binary search tree is one of the most important data structure in computer science. Principal application is to implement a dictionary, a set of elements of a set R with the operations of searching, insertion and deletion. If probabilities of searching for element of a set are known, it is natural to pose a question about an optimal binary search tree for which the average number of comparisons in a search is the smallest possible. Then let us say that what is optimal binary search tree. Optimal binary search tree is nothing but find out which binary tree takes less number of comparisons among all possible binary trees. Consider 4 keys A, B, C and D to be searched for with probabilities 0.1, 0.2, 0.4 and 0.3 respectively. First calculate how many binary trees are possible with n keys. Here n is equal to 4 keys. That is nothing but first find out how many possible binary trees you may generate for the 4 keys A, B, C and D with their probabilities 0.1, 0.2, 0.4 and 0.3. Then to found how many binary trees are possible for given n keys, use the Catalan number as C of n is equal to 2n Cn 2n Cn divided by n plus 1 for n is equal to 0 and for C of 0 is equal to 1. Using this formula, Catalan number formula, you can easily generate how many binary trees are possible for any given n. Then here the n value is 4, hence C of 4 is equal to 2 into 4 C by n divided by 4 plus 1 equal to 8C4 divided by 5 is equal to 70 by 5 is equal to 14. Then for n keys, n is equal to 4 keys are there, then maximum 14 binary trees are possible. But generating all these 14 different binary trees and calculating their average number of comparisons and finally choose the optimal binary tree it takes lot of time or it is very time consuming. That's why we have to apply the dynamic programming that gives the better idea to directly generate the minimum cost or the optimal binary search tree that we can discuss in next example. Then first you have to understood two possible binary trees, that is binary tree 1 and binary tree 2, that you have arranged by using all these 4 keys. That is, A is the root key, then B is the next level node or the next level key, C is the next level and D is the next level. All these keys are arranged into 4 levels and you have to calculate what is their frequency. Then suppose say that if the key element that you are looking is found at the root level, then we can say only one comparison is required. If it is found at the second level, then 2 comparisons are required. If the key element is found at the third level, 3 comparisons are required. Similarly, the key element is found at the 4th level, then 4 comparisons are required. Then here with their comparisons, if the key element is found at the root level or at the first level 1 comparison, second level 2 comparison, third level 3 comparison, fourth level 4 comparison, and with their corresponding frequency values, you have to multiply it with the frequency values and you will get the final value. Suppose say that the frequency of character A is 0.1, 1 into 0.1. Similarly, frequency of character B is 0.2, frequency of character key C is 0.4, and frequency of character D is 0.3. When you have to make addition of all this, you will get the value as 0.1 plus 0.4 plus 1.2 plus 1.2 equal to 2.9. Similarly, apply the comparison and calculate the comparison for the second binary search tree as 2. Then, and you have to arrange like this. You have to use the key character B as the root, and you have to generate the new binary tree like this. And you have to remember that for binary search, all the child elements having smaller value compared to its root element, and also the left tree or the left tree having the smaller value than the root element, and the right tree having the greater value compared to the root element. This is the basic idea for a binary tree. Then now by using this B as the root tree, you will generate new binary tree like this. Its left tree as a and its right tree is C, and again for the root C, right tree is a D. And here you have to make the comparisons. For the level 1 comparison required. For the level 2 comparisons are required, and for level 3 comparisons are required, and with their associate frequency value or the probability value. That is, probability of character B is 0.2, that is 1 into 0.2. Similarly, probability of character A is 0.1, that is 2 into 0.1. Similarly, probability of character C is 0.4, 2 into 0.4, and the probability of character D is 0.3, and at the third level 3 into 0.3, and you will get this value 1 into 0.2, 0.2 plus 2 into 0.1, 0.2 plus 2 into 0.4, 0.8 plus 3 into 0.3, 0.9 equal to 2.9. Likewise, you will generate or consider all the 14 different binary trees and finally compare their average number of comparisons, and you will get, and you have to choose the optimal one. Then here now we can say that among only these two binary trees, this one is the optimal binary tree because it takes average number of comparisons as 2.1 compared to the average number of comparisons required in first tree as 2.9. But we say that this is not only the optimal solution because we have not considered remaining 12 different binary trees. So let us see how to get the exact optimal binary search tree. You have to apply the dynamic programming as shown in next example. Let us see an example to generate optimal binary search tree for given keys with probabilities. Then consider an example with 4 keys. Keys are A, B, C and D, and their probabilities are 0.1, 0.2, 0.4 and 0.3 respectively. Then to generate the optimal binary search tree for given keys with their probabilities, use the following recurrence formula as shown, that is C of ij equal to minimum of I comma k minus 1 plus C of k plus 1 comma j plus the summation of probabilities from I to j. For I is greater than or equal to 1 and I is also greater than or equal to j, where j is less than or equal to n. And similarly for k values greater than or equal to I and less than or equal to j. Then using this simple recurrence formula, you can easily generate the optimal binary search tree for any given keys with probabilities. Then to start with optimal binary search tree, first you have to design two empty tables. One is called as main table and one is called as root table. Then how to say the main table and root table? For all the these rows will represent the I value and all the column will represent the j value as shown in this table. I values starts with 1 and j value starts with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the I value starts with 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then initially for the all the diagonal values you have to place the value as 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0 as shown in this diagram, and next you have to put the probability for each corresponding key as shown in this table. That is, probability for first key, that is 1 as 1 represent first key as a, and for probability of 1 to 1 is 0.1. Similarly, probability of the second key 2 by 2 is 0.2. Similarly, probability of third key as 3 by 3 is equal to 0.4. And similarly, probability for last character D at the position 4 by 4 is 0.3. This is how to place the probability value and the diagonal value 0 into this given table. That is nothing but to the position 1 by 1, that is the probability of character A. To the position 2 by 2, put the probability value of character B. To the position 3 by 3, put the probability value of character C. And to the position 4 by 4, put the probability value of character D. And initially all the diagonal values are 0 and these values are empty. Initially these values are empty. Similarly, design another table called as the root table. Consider the same values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and I values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and initially for each position as 1 as to 1, put the root element as 1, 2, 3 and 4. That is at the position 1 by 1, consider the root element as the 1. To the position 2 by 2, consider the root element as the 2. To the position 3 by 3, consider root element as the 3, and to the position 4 by 4, consider root element as the 4. Just put this root element to the positions like 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3 and 4 by 4. This is all about initialization, or this is generate first two table. One is called as main table and one is called as root table to solve or to apply this recurrence formula to generate the optimal binary search tree for any given example with the keys and probabilities. Then now apply the formula. Then now we want to know what is the value. You will get the new value, probability value you will get to the position 1 by 2. That is to the position 1 by 2. That is you have to calculate C of 1 by 2 by applying the formula. Then here when you want to know the value of 1 by 2, then you will get the I value is equal to 1 and J value is equal to 2, and you will get the two possible K values. Two possible K values. From this diagram, from this formula, it's clear that C of Ij is equal to minimum of C of I comma K minus 1 plus C of K plus 1 comma J plus the summation of the probabilities of keys from I to J, and where K is greater than or equal to I and K is less than or equal to J. Then from this formula it's clear that I value is equal to 1, J value is equal to 2, and you will get two possible K values. These possible two K values are I is 1 and J is equal to 2. Then two possible K values are K is equal to 1 and K is equal to 2. Then you have to simply solve this formula two times, once using K value is equal to 1 and once using K value is equal to 2, as shown in this example. That is C of 1 by 2 is equal to minimum of C of 1 comma K minus 1 is nothing but it is initially K value is equal to 1 and 1 minus 1 it is 0 plus C of K plus 1, that is 1 plus 1 it is 2 comma J value is 2 plus probability of A plus probability of B equal to what is the value of C of 1 of 0. C of 1 of 0 is from this table, from this main table you will get the value of C of 1 by 0. C of 1 by 0 is 0 plus the value of C of 2 by 2. The value of C of 2 by 2 is 0.2 plus the probability of A. The probability of A is 0.1 from your given example, 0.1 plus probability of character B is 0.2 equal to, when you make the addition of all this you will get the value as 0.5. Similarly, apply this formula once again with the K value is equal to 2 with the values like C is equal to C of 1 comma 1 plus C of 3 comma 2 plus PA plus PB is equal to 1 by 1. The value of 1 by 1 is 0.1 plus value of 3 by 2. Value of 3 by 2 is 0 plus probability of A is 0.1 plus probability of B is 0.2 is equal to 0.4. Then out of these two values you choose the minimum value, then 0.5 and 0.4. the minimum of 0.4 and 0.5 and 0.4 is equal to 0.4, and the key value 2, k value is equal to 2, generates the minimum value as the 0.4. That's why you have to enter the key element k is equal to 2 as the root element in the root table. So let us say that to the position c of 1 by 2, enter the value as 0.4 in this main table. To the position 1 by 2, now we will get the new probability value as a 0.4, and to the same position c of 1 by 2, we will enter the new root table key as the 2, because the k value is equal to 2 generates the minimum value. That's why in the root table, to the position c of 1 by 2, enter the root table k value as the 2, and in the position 1 by 2, enter the minimum value as the 2, and this is now as a root table. Then next you have to generate the value to the position 2 by 3. From a previous example, you will get the value of 1 by 2. Now you have to generate the value of 2 by 3 by using the formula. Now generate the value for the position 2 by 3. Then here I value is equal to 2, j value is equal to 3, and again here from 2 to 3, two possible k values are there. That is, once k value is equal to 2 and once k value is equal to 3. Then again you have to solve it from c by 2 equal to minimum of k by 2 is c of 2 comma 1 plus c of 3 by 3 plus pb plus pc, and here you have to generate the probability of 2 to 3, that is probability of character B and character C, because I value starts with 2. Then here in this example, I value is equal to 2 and j value is equal to 3. Then you have to calculate the value, minimum value to the position c of 2 by 3 is equal to minimum of c of 2 comma 1 plus c of 3 by 3 plus probability of B plus probability of C equal to the value of 2 by 1 is 0. Then here it is 0 plus the value of 2 by 2, value of 2 by 2 from this table is 0.2 plus the probability of character C is 0.4 plus the probability of character B is 0.2. And you will get the value here as 1.0. Similarly, when k value is equal to 3, you have to apply this formula with the k value is equal to 3, and you will get the value as c of 2 by 2 is equal to c of 4 by 3 plus pb plus pc. Probability of B plus probability of C is equal to 0.2 plus 0 plus 0.2 plus 0.4 is 0.8. Then when you compare 1.0 with 0.8, 0.8 is the minimum value. Then to the position C of 2 by 3, enter value as the 0.8 in this given table. Then to the position 2 by 3, you will get the new probability value as 0.8, and to the position 2 by 3, enter the new root table key as 3. To the position 2 by 3, enter the new root table as a 3, because 3 is the key that generates the minimum. Similarly, calculate the value to the position 3 by 4 and 3 by 4 by solving the third step, and you will get the new probability value to the position 3 by 4 as 1.0, and enter the root key as a 3 in that root table with the minimum value k value is equal to 3. Similarly, find out the position value for new probability value to the position 1 by 3, also for 2 by 4, and finally for 1 by 4 by following these steps, that is step 4, step 5 and step 6. When you apply the new I, j and k value into these formulas, you will get the new probability values. Those probability values you have to enter into this table. Then among all this, the top value 1.7 is called as the optimal binary search tree value, or this is the minimum or the optimal number of comparisons required for your given example. And you should remember this element, this is 3 is the root node for your optimal binary search tree. Then let us say an example by considering this key element 3 or the key C as the root element, and you have to generate the binary search tree, that is the optimal binary search tree as shown in this below example. Then here you can generate the optimal binary search tree for given example by considering root element as a 3, and 3 is nothing but it is the character C. Then using C as the root element, you will get the optimal binary search tree like this, that is C, then its left subtree as a B, because B is less than C, and its right subtree is D. Similarly, the left subtree for the node B is A, and this is an optimal binary search tree for this given example. Then proof of this optimal binary search tree is the number of comparisons required at the root level is 1, and the probability of character C is 0.4, that's why 0.4 into 1. Similarly, the number of comparisons required at the second level is 2, and the probability of character B is 0.2, that's why 0.2 into 2. Similarly, number of comparisons required at the second level is 2, and the probability of character D is 0.3, that's why 0.3 into 2. And the number of comparisons required at the third level is 3, and the probability of character A is 0.1, that's why it is 0.1 into 3. Then 0.4 into 1, 0.4 plus 0.2 into 2, 0.4 plus 0.3 into 2, 0.6 plus 0.1 into 3, 0.3. When you make an addition of all this, you will get the value as the 1.1. Average number of comparisons required for this given examples are 1.7. This is the optimal value as 1.7, and this optimal value 1.7 you will generate by this table. At the top position you will get value here called as the 1.1. This is an example how to generate optimal binary search tree for given example.